In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email in Brevo. First, open your web browser, go to the Brevo website, and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure your sender email is properly set up. Go to Settings or the Senders and IP section, add your sender email address, and complete the verification process by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. If you're sending from a custom domain, it's also a good idea to authenticate that domain, since this can help improve deliverability and make your emails more trustworthy. Next, import your contacts. From the dashboard, click Contacts, then choose Import Contacts. You can upload a CSV or Excel file, or add contacts manually if you only have a few. As you bring people in, organize them into lists or segments. This makes it much easier to target the right audience later instead of sending the same message to everyone. After that, head over to Campaigns and select Create an Email Campaign. You'll be asked to enter an internal campaign name, which helps you stay organized behind the scenes. Then add your sender name and your verified sender email. You'll also write your subject line and, if you want, include preview text. These details are important because they influence whether people open your email. Now choose your email template. You can start with a pre-designed template, build one with the drag and drop editor, begin from a blank layout, or reuse a template you've already saved. Once you've chosen your starting point, design your email by adding your logo, headlines, body text, images, buttons, dividers, social media icons, and a footer with your contact information and unsubscribe link. Keep the design clean and easy to read so the message stays clear. Then personalize the email using contact fields like first name, last name, company name, or other custom attributes. Personalization can make your email feel more relevant and often improves engagement. When your content is ready, select your recipients by choosing the contact list or audience segment you want to send to. If needed, you can also exclude specific lists. Before sending anything, send a test email to yourself. Check the formatting, make sure links and buttons work, confirm images display correctly, and review the email on both desktop and mobile. Finally, either send the email right away with Send Now or choose Schedule to deliver it later. Review everything carefully before confirming. After your campaign goes out, monitor its performance by checking delivery rate, open rate, click-through rate, bounce rate, unsubscribe rate, and link performance. Use those results to improve future campaigns by testing subject lines, refining segments, improving content and calls to action, and scheduling sends when your audience is most active.